This is the Villa Filomeno Resorts in Indang, Cavite. This is the view.
Kailan yung Wi-Fi ka?
And there are another swimming pools there. 2 swimming pools. You will cross that bridge to get here. Wow, nice place. Villa Filomeno Resort, Indang, Cavite.